when we make pancit, pancit bihon, we have a lot of ways to make this kind of noodles, like a lot of versions in the Philippines. So this is my version how I make it using the Ninja Foodie. So we all need these are our ingredients. We need minced garlic and onion and slice like this. And then we need scallions or green onion. We need carrots, bell pepper, any color that you like. You can use any color. I just have only a red here, so yeah, you can use red, you can use orange, green. And we have green beans in a slice like this. Of course, our meat, I slice it this way, like this. I wash my hands, guys, okay? I wash my hands. So I slice like this, not really thin, just like this, thin. And then it's a chicken. I like to my pancit mixed with chicken meat. If you notice that it's colored dark or brown, I marinated with dark soy sauce and pepper, something bright in the color. So I grow up that we always use this kind of soy sauce. I bought this at Asian store, this kind of soy sauce, or you can also use the other brand, which is Dato Puti. I will put the picture here so you can see. This is a dark soy sauce. It's a product of the Philippines. You can read in the bottom. So yeah, if you doesn't like the dark soy sauce, you can also use the Kikiman. It's dependent upon to you, but that's my preference. Just use the dark soy sauce. Okay, that's our veggies, and also don't forget the cabbage. Cabbage, you can use cabbage or rather, you can use cabbage or napa cabbage. Napa or cabbage it's fine. So yeah, again, cabbage, napa cabbage, carrots, bell pepper, green onion or scallions, and green beans, onion, garlic, meat. So here, the noodles. I bought this. I used two kinds of noodles to make my version of pancit. I used this brand Super Q Golden Bihon. It's a cornstarch stick. I used this brand, and it comes with 4 squares. If you notice, I have still 3 here because I'm just gonna use 1 square. And this is the 1 square. I soak it in the warm water for 10 minutes, and it's gonna be look like this, soft. So last time, okay, so while you're chopping all this vegetable, you're gonna soak all this bihon or this these noodles. So right after you chop all those veggies, your bihon is ready. Yeah, and this is the other one that I use, and this is the other that I use. I combine these two. I combine the bihon and I combine the flour stick. So if you notice, I am showing you the 2 kinds of flour stick. I always use this kind, like the darker color, like a really yellow one. This is also a flour stick or canton, pancit canton. Both are pancit canton, and you can use either. Okay, you can use either this one or this one. It's not a problem. I just used this because this is the first that I got from the store. So I'm just gonna use the first one. And then this is, I just bought this yesterday. So I'm just gonna use this for now. But the thing that I love this kind of color because I don't know, I'm just so specific with the looks of, and also for sure the taste. But I like it when it cook. I have this, and this one color combination is perfect. This is good too. Or just the same. It's just really specific about this look. But yeah, for now we're gonna use this, okay? And I'm just showing you some of kinds of that you can use, like you can combine. So either this brand or this brand, it's okay. You can both use them. So yeah, that's it. We all need for sure pepper and salt, and this, the artificial chicken flavor broth mix. I use this one, chicken flavor broth. So we're just gonna use this later. It's like a powder broth to be gonna be make our bihon more tasty. Like, you're not gonna put so much of it, just like little. All right, okay guys, we are ready to cook. Saute into high just to heat up the half of this much, okay? Cover it. Pressure cook low. 1 minute. Okay, that's it. Put in saute, and then add my cabbage, some salt and pepper. We're gonna add the cabbage. And then add this.